How to create a digital planner using Canva. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a digital planner using canva.com to sell on Amazon and Etsy. So let's get into it. What you can do is you can go to canva.com and you will land on this platform right here. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to edit videos, create presentations, create stickers, and much more. So today I'll show you how to create a digital planner using Canva. A digital planner is also a digital product that we can sell on Amazon and Etsy to make money. So let's get into the process. We can go with a custom design by just clicking right here, create a design, and then you can select a custom design, or you can search for a template here. So I'm going to quickly search for digital planner right here in this section. So it'll show you. You can see digital planner. We have a lot of different templates available on Canva to go for. You can create a planner for your personal use as well, or you can create it for your work and to sell as a digital product. You can see we have different types of planners available. For example, a project planner, sometimes it's a business planner, a weekly planner, study planners. So you can create these very easily. What I'm going to do is I will be creating one to sell on Etsy. So I will be looking for something that I can sell on Etsy because on Etsy people like, crafty stuff, and we have to go for an aesthetically pleasing planner. So I'm going to go ahead and select a template from here. So we have all of these different planners here, and you can choose a template or you can start from the scratch. I will start from the scratch for you guys. So we will just select this layout and get to our canvas. This is our canvas right here. You can see it's our inside of our Canva, and we have our layout here. We have some templates available. We have elements, upload, text, styles, and other options. So let's get started with the design. So the first page that I will be creating right here, it's going to be the cover for my planner. So you need to add a cover. I am actually going to be creating cover for, let's say, a planner for our new year. So for that, I'm just gonna go for a very simple style. You can change the color first. So we can go with maybe this color right here and make it a little lighter. There you go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. So we'll just go to the text section here and add a heading. So the heading is going to be 2023 planner, like this. And I'm going to place it in the middle. We can decrease the spacing first. You can see we can place it in the middle. I'm going to change the font to this one right here. Now we can go to the elements and we can add different elements, such as I'm going to add a circle around it. And then what we can do is we can get these squares right here. You can get any element from this section here. We have our photos, we have videos, text, and then we have our charts, we have tables that we can add, we have frames, grids, and more. So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color to a teal color. And then what I will do is I will actually make them really thin and place them diagonally here. So let me actually adjust this. So this is what it looked like. All I did is that we added our text, and then I went with these squares and I kind of like aligned them diagonally. We can change the color. Once you select an element in Canva, you can change the color from here. So I think this looks really simple, and it's a simple planner. Now we're going to move on, and I'm going to click on add a new page. Now this is going to be my pages for my planner, and I'm going to keep them simple white. We can also add some lines to it. So for that, I'm going to actually go to the elements here, and we're going to scroll down a little bit to go to our tables here. So I'm going to click on see all. This is actually a new feature by Canva that gives us the option to add tables. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and enter the table here. Let's actually go with this one. So this is the table, and we can make it, of course, a little bigger to place it on our page like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more columns to it. There you go. And similarly, some more rows like this. So we have some more columns and rows added. And now we can adjust the spacing for our table and the cell spacing that we have. Then I can add another page. This is going to be a text page, and we can always use a template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this one right here, but this does not go with my theme. So I'm going to get rid of these elements like these stickers, and this looks good. We can change the background color to white because I'm just going with a simple white color for my pages. I'm gonna add another page. Let's go to elements, and you can always add some pages lines to it as well. For example, there is a line, and what you can do is you can place a line here, and they're gonna lock this one, and you can create more lines like this and place them in the same distance. Now we're gonna add another page, and for that I'm gonna use the templates again. We also have some line pages here, so we can go with this one maybe, like the column one. Let's go with another one, and then I'm gonna add again this one. A monthly calendar is necessary for me, so you can create a monthly calendar by yourself, or what you can do is you can use the templates that are already given. I'm gonna change the color, the theme of it, to match the theme of my cover. So you can see this is what it looks like. We also have a calendar now, and I'm gonna add like just another page for the, let's say, workout routine, and I'm gonna change the color again. Let's keep it white, or we can change the color of these elements here, and I'm gonna change them to the orange color that we are going for. So you can customize any of the elements completely to match your theme of the planner that you're creating. So I'm gonna change the color right here. You can see perfect. Let's add our ending page. So this is going to be the last page. You can keep it simple if you like, or if you want to add, let's actually add another to-do list really quickly, and let's end our planner. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and just add the end for my planner here. It is a 10-page planner, and at the end I'm going to just keep it a simple this color. Once you're done with the planner, what you will do is you will click on share, and you can download the file. Now you can download it as your PDF file, because if someone wants to print it, they can do it. We can download a digital planner in JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4, or GIF. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it as a PNG, or what we can do is we can just click on share and actually go to Amazon KDP to convert it into a planner to sell. So that's what we can do, or we can just save directly to a PDF so that we can actually sell it on any of other platform, for example, even Etsy, even Gumroad, any other online e-commerce platform that you're using to sell your digital products. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.